Hello, in this example I'll be talking about the difference between where and val, which is the part of Spark concept, and whenever you are going to the interview you'll find the question based on the very val, where and val only. So let us see these things in the practical way, and we will also try to go with the theoretical way as well. So where and val both are mainly referring to the mutable and immutable data. Now let us try to understand what is meant by mutable and immutable data. Immutable data means a data cannot be changed, and mutable means a data can be changed. So let us say we have our data which is available in the where or val variable. So sometimes we need to perform any kind of the operation on that data, so it can be changed. So if we want that data to be changed, we can use where, and val we can use when we don't want to change it. The data should be constant. So for constant data we can use a val. Okay, so we are going to see this in a practical way. So first of all we are going to talk about val. So this is a val with the name, and it has assigned the value as scala. So when I'm checking it, it is showing me as a scala only. Okay, here I'm checking, and we can see the data is coming to the name as scala only. Now when we try to reassign a different value, here we are getting the error message, reassignment to val. It means whenever we are creating anything with the val, we cannot change the data. Let us see in a practical way. I'm just opening the Spark shell, and then we are going to see okay. So first of all we are going to create a name which is of type string, and it is storing the data as scala only. And then we will again try to store in the same variable but with the different data, Java. Here we are getting the error message because val is mainly useful for the constant data where we cannot change the data. Okay, so the terminal is open and Spark shell is there. So here you can see the data in the variable is, it's not a variable, actually it's not a variable. That is the thing that I want to cover here. It is just the value. The value for the name is scala. Okay, now I am trying to insert a value for the name as Java in the same. Here we are getting the message reassignment to val. This is the thing that I want to say over here. When we talk about the val, it is a constant value. We cannot change the value in terms of val, but we can change the value when we using a variable. So I am creating a variable with the name, and it is storing the data as scala. I am just cross checking it, and now I am reassigning the variable with the new data as Java. So here you can observe thing, I am using the same variable. So initially name variable was storing scala, and now it is storing as Java. Now if I am calling, it is giving me the latest data. So the data is changing here. I hope the concept is clear now. When we talk about the val, it will not change the data. We called it as immutable data. and when we talk about the variable, it will change the data. We called it as a mutable data. Scala is supporting both the mutable and immutable. So that is all depend on your situation. Thank you.